Let us remember that there is improvement. People are making progress in their material and spiritual development. But the question is, at what rate? And will the fifth movement of the spiritual impulse wait for anybody? What are the characteristics of pioneers? Generally, the social system of the pioneers of humanity is pillared on nuclear family, putting more emphasis on the individual. Premium is on self-dependency to bring out talent, innovation, and creativity in the individual. Personal freedom and democracy are key. We are talking about the ideals of democracy at the individual level, not necessarily its misapplication. Scientific and technological advancement is high. Individual abstract and rational thinking is encouraged. The mind is used to channel desire, to curb instinct. There is little to no regard of the person in authority, but the ideas, doing the right thing, having strategic thought, moral values, and ethics is what the pioneers look for in terms of authority, not the person in authority. They no longer owe allegiance to any traditional command and control system of monarchy, kingship, and chieftaincy. They don't. They have one common language for a large number of people. And there is a high level of formal education. They use a rational approach, leading to great advances in scientific discoveries and materialism. They are leaders. The pioneers are leaders in humanity's efforts to subdue the earth. They are unraveling the secrets of matter. They are disciplined, conscious of their human rights, assertive, adventurous, and results-driven. They dominate or rule other people of the world, and that is allowed. Their original religion is Christianity or spirituality based on love. Generally speaking, they have limited or no worship or veneration of ancestors and nature forces or elementals. Pioneers don't do that. And there is a high spread of civilization. Once again, take note. Although geographical location counts in identifying pioneers of humanity, there may be individuals in some other parts of the globe with the characteristics of pioneers. Similarly, there may be individuals in the location of pioneers whose character may not reflect as such, but reflect that of a foot dragger. What are the next steps for humanity?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.